there! Imagine taking some time out of your busy, noisy, stressful, I gotta get this done, that done, I've got no time, just go, go, go day. We've got 24 hours in a day that's never coming back in our lives again. Do we then really want to take not even 30 minutes out of the so-called pressures, stress, responsibilities, and everything life throws our way to get us off balance? And use that and rather give that 30 minutes just dedicated to me that aims to make us feel better, look better, and be better for not only ourselves, but for the world around us. I'm Nisha, and I'll be your trainer today to bring you and teach you the magic potion that not only makes you feel amazing inside out, but strengthens, lengthens, and tones up your body to make you look fabulous. Moreover, this program and yoga itself is a practice that is designed to balance out our hormones, calm our nervous system, make us feel stronger, more confident, agile, efficient, reduce stress and anxiety, and transform our body and soul in tandem so we can be better at everything that we do. I'm going to be teaching you the basics of achieving all that I've mentioned with a major focus on mental well-being. And these moves are going to be ideal for both beginners and advanced level yogi. If you're just starting off, follow the modifications and try to build up gradually. And the rest of you superstars, just follow along. So let's get this party started.